If you're waiting for a knee replacement and thinking, I'll focus on recovery after surgery, you need to hear this. Hi, I'm Lindsay Warwick, a physiotherapist and knee replacement coach, and I'd like people like you to walk into surgery stronger so you can come out with less pain, faster recovery, and more confidence. Because what you do before surgery can completely change what happens after. And the key? It's addressing a condition that's more common and more detrimental to a successful knee replacement than most people realize. It's called sarcopenia, and it's the progressive loss of muscle mass, muscle strength, and physical functioning that becomes more common with age. Sarcopenia can look like this: a loss of muscle bulk, weaker muscles that don't respond the same as they used to, walking slower, more fatigue, less confidence in your balance. And here's where it gets serious. It leads to a higher risk of falls, fractures, longer hospital stays, and a much harder recovery after your knee replacement. It's more than just aging. It's a diagnosable, preventable condition. And if you're living with knee pain and moving less, your risk goes up. So you may have heard of osteopenia, conditions where your bones get weaker over time. Sarcopenia is the muscle version of that. Osteoporosis is fragile bones. Sarcopenia is fragile muscles. Both increase your risk of falling, but sarcopenia also increases the risk that you won't be able to get back up once you do. And here's the catch. Most people get screened for bone loss, but almost no one gets screened for muscle loss. But it really matters because your muscles are what protect your joints, power your daily movements, and carry you through your recovery. Now here's what's exciting. A 2024 review published in the journal Nutrients looked at how to help older adults with sarcopenia prepare for a knee replacement. The title of the study was Optimizing the Preoperative Preparation of Sarcopenic Older Adults. Researchers found that the most effective solution combines two things: prehabilitation, which is gentle movement and strength training, and number 2, targeted nutritional support, like amino acids, iron, vitamin D, ATP, and glucosamine. Together, these help you improve your balance and strength, bounce back faster, lower your risk of complications, and feel more confident every step of the way during your recovery. This is what we call surgical resilience, and you can start building it today. So what can you do right now? Start with 10 minutes a day. That's it. Focus on strength, balance, flexibility, and coordination. Then support your body with the right supplements: essential amino acids, iron, vitamin D, glucosamine sulfate, and ATP for cellular energy. These are the same strategies used in this study, and I use them with my clients inside of Total Knee Prep every week. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to get started. And if you're not sure where to start, you're not alone. Drop your surgery date in the comments or just say, I'm ready, and I'll give you some help. Now make sure to like this video if it helped, or share it with someone you know who needs to hear this. Subscribe to the Knee Replacement Coach channel for more strategies that actually work for real pain, real knees, just like you. You deserve more than a successful surgery. You deserve strength, you deserve clarity, you deserve support every step of the way. Let's make this happen together.